Okay guys, so we're back out here working on the solid axle 3rd gen again. My name's Austin, welcome. And today we are getting ready for the 4xinnovations cage. Sliders turned out awesome. If you watched that video, thank you. They look good. So first things first, we got to tear this whole interior out. Don't mind that, I smashed my rocker before I had sliders. Seats got to come out, front seats got to come out, carpet, everything. If anybody's got a hookup on a new leather seat, that'd be cool, let me know. So yeah, we're just gonna tear the interior out today, and then yeah, we'll start figuring out where all of our plates sit for our A pillar, our B pillar, all that fun stuff. So should be a good time out here in the shop today. So the whole interior has been removed. Wasn't too bad, kind of busted that out fairly quickly, honestly. Can't complain about that. I guess this has new carpet in it because whoever put the carpet in tried to like construction adhesive it only on the driver's side, and it didn't really work. And it was kind of a pain to get that out of it just because it was sticking to this insulation, whatever, carpet, whatever you want to call it, and it just made it a real pain. So our next thing we're gonna do is we've got to figure out where all these plates go and what tube is what. Like, you got to figure out your A, B, and C pillar, and a D, I think, in this. So that's what I'm going to kind of figure out. There's no instructions on this, which is kind of weird. Because I bought one from my old pickup that I never put in, and then it had instructions, but it's pretty much the same thing, so we'll figure it out. So let's get doing that, and then basically what you do is you drill holes in the body. You're going to sandwich 2 plates between the body, and you're going to weld your tube onto it, and then it's going to go up, blah blah blah. This is a full length cage too, so it's literally gonna, the back tube's gonna land like right here, right here. So I know there's a plate that goes here, here, probably by the door in up there, and then one by the feet, your feet up there. So I'm gonna figure all that out real quick. All right, so what we've got so far. This is the C pillar, goes up and around. Right here it's cut in half, and you put a sleeve in there. I already put it together. This is the B pillar, and this is all our cross bracing. Not sure, I know these two are the rear cross, like in the hatch area. This one goes from driver's side to passenger side, and then the rest I have no idea. These are the 2 A pillar bars. They're just kind of chilling in here. And then these are the D pillar right here, the very back. And luckily most of these are marked. We got our B plates, our A plates, and then I'm guessing these are, you're gonna have a tube that lands up here and up here. I'm not quite sure where they go. And on these, I don't know if the big plates go on top or the small goes on the bottom, or the small goes on the bottom, the big goes, or the small goes on top and the big goes on the bottom. Just not sure. I'm gonna have to get super creative on how to put this all together, basically, so I can tack it with the plates in place. So I gotta figure that out. That's gonna be the hardest part, plus doing it by myself. Usually I see people use ratchet straps, so I'll try that method. But I wish I knew where everything just went, so I could just bolt the plates down and then land the tubes. It'd be pretty sweet. But maybe I'll give 4X a call tomorrow and just see where we get from that. Wife's calling me. Gotta go. Okay guys, so it's another day here. I said earlier that I couldn't find the instructions, but they are on their website. So I got the instructions here, and I've figured out where everything goes. The small plates go on the bottom, the underside of the body, and then this is the top plate here. They're gonna sit about this general area. These are the A pillar plates, so right by the dashboard. There's one over there. B pillar sits here. This is the bottom plate. It will go under the body. There's one over there as well. Let me run around to the other side, the back side here. The C pillar plates will sit on top of the fender well. This one goes on bottom. D pillar goes in the very back. This one goes on the bottom. All our hardware. So what I'm working on right now is the B pillar hoop. And what I've done is I drilled holes in this tube at a 90 degrees from each other. We're gonna slide this sleeve in here. I measured half of it, just like that. We're gonna plug weld just this side until we can get it in the truck, and then we can, move it in and out to get our correct length inside the cab, and then we'll plug weld the other half to it, which is that bar right there, which also has holes drilled in it. Right there. So that's what I'm doing right now. I haven't drilled holes in the cab yet to mount those plates. I kind of want to get the A pillar and B pillar in position before I drill these holes, because underneath is kind of funky, and I want to make sure I'm in the right spot. And I'll show you that when I start drilling these holes. So for now, I'm just gonna weld these up, kind of mock everything up in place real quick. All right guys, so I figured out how to mount these plates. They're all bolted in. Slide underneath here. There's the bottom plate. There's one bolt that just sits on the body right there. I got both A pillar plates in. And then the B pillar, I got it in there where I liked it. We fully welded it, all the plug welds, everything. So we're gonna set this in here, and then we're gonna get the A pillars lined up, and then tack it in, tack the crossbar in, and then the center bar right here. So that's where we're at right now. My buddy Casey came to help me. Thanks, man. All right, check this out, guys. Got the A pillar tacked in on both sides to the B pillar. We haven't tacked this side in yet. That foot's tacked in. We're just trying to tack in this center bar. We've almost got it 0, but this 4Runner's got what I like to call a little bit of Tijuana tilt. So it's turning out pretty good. It goes pretty quick once you figure out the plates and that A-pillar. So it's looking pretty good. So what we did here too is we kicked these legs forward because they were like way too far out into this seat. We didn't like that. So hopefully everything still lines up back, but I think we'll be all right there. So these are not mounted yet. We're just trying to figure out where this is gonna sit. But yeah, this ain't easy by yourself. So thank you, Casey, for your help. He's over there.
We'll get it done.
I think that's pretty good, dude. I think we should just tack her in. Hell yeah, I'm so stoked.
And it don't look bad either. You'll see it's angled a little bit, but it still looks.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad at all. As long as everything still lines up south of that, I'm good. So now I think we're gonna tack this bar in, and then this center bar here, there's a bar that goes from here to here, and then we're gonna probably call it a night. We might test the C-pillar out, see how it fits, but it's coming right along. Guys, look who I found. It's Noah.
I emerge when someone tells me I can blow holes in their 4Runner.
How you been, man? You haven't been on the channel in a while.
I've been good. Just lots of work, lots of selling or trying to work on other projects to sell. Try to work on the projects I actually want to work on. You know, life stuff.
Hell yeah. So we got Noah mounting the C-pillar plates right on top of that fender there.